Transit Custom. Now built in Turkey, the current version remains Britain's best-selling light van by a country mile. Now the 2012 launched Transit has been facelifted. This one's the Custom Limited 300 L2 H1. Outside, there's Ford's sort of Aston Martin grille and other detail styling revisions. Interior quality has also been improved. The dash has been redesigned and the blizzard of buttons has gone. There's a large touchscreen and the usual connectivity features. Ergonomically, there's little to fault. The 8-way adjustable driver's seat is also good news. The Limited gets 16-inch alloys, a passenger airbag, folding mirrors, quick clear screen, heated front seats and aircon. There are parking sensors front and rear, but no reversing camera. The stowage area under the passenger seats is also accessible from the load area. This boarded-out box is well lit, accessed by a large sliding side door and a pair of rear doors that open to 180 degrees. It's one of the biggest load decks in its class, and the van takes an 858 kilogram payload in long wheelbase form. The turning circle is tight, the steering very light but accurate, the brakes strong, the ride firm, if a bit jittery when unladen. Our test van's Euro 6 2-litre 130 PS diesel was mated to a self-shifting transmission which surged a little under acceleration, but was otherwise effective. We gather most customers still prefer the 6-speed manual. Generally, this van lives up to the cliché of having near car-like performance and dynamics. So, the latest Transit Custom is a carefully calibrated piece of industrial design that has been incrementally and usefully upgraded and possesses refreshed showroom appeal.